Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of Zoho Project as we uncover how to perform a gap analysis using this robust project management tool. Our first step is to open Zoho Project and navigate to the Reports section. This is where Zoho neatly aggregates all your project data. It's a goldmine of insights waiting to be unearthed. Next up, we want to create a new report. Click on the plus New Report button. The reason we do this is to customize our report so it can effectively capture the data we need for our gap analysis. Once you've done that, it's time to select the milestone option. This option gives us a clear view of project timelines, which is essential for identifying any gaps. Remember, in gap analysis, we're trying to highlight the difference between where we are and where we want to be. Now, let's drill down to the specifics. You'll need to select the planned versus actual in the report type dropdown. This lets us compare our intended milestones with our actual progress. It's like having a mirror that reflects the reality of our project status. At this point, you might wonder why we're not just looking at the overall project progress. Let me explain why this matters. When we focus on milestones, we can pinpoint the exact areas where gaps exist, helping us to create more targeted strategies for improvement. Now that we've done that, click on Run Report. This will generate a detailed report that effectively shows the gaps in your project. Finally, it's time to analyze the report. Look for areas where the actual timeline significantly deviates from the planned timeline. This deviation is your gap. So there you have it. Performing a gap analysis with Zoho Project doesn't have to be complicated. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to identifying and closing those project gaps. Remember, the purpose of gap analysis is to get you from where you are to where you want to be. So, get started today and see how Zoho Project can help you achieve your project goals. Until next time, happy analyzing.